Maggie was a little girl who made a lot of noise. You could hear her shouting all over the house and right down the road. In fact, Maggie's voice was so loud everyone in the town could hear her. One day her Nana sent her a present, the little hairdresser's kit. Her toys were pleased, her pets were thrilled, and her mom was delighted. The little hairdresser's kit will keep her quiet for a while. Everyone agreed. We can but hope, said her dad in a whisper. When Maggie opened her present, it was full of combs and grips and rollers and pins, as well as a pair of very safe scissors. For the rest of the day, Maggie was totally silent. All you could hear, if you really listened hard, was snip, snip, snip of the very safe scissors and the quiet of hairspray. Maggie was a little girl who made a lot of noise. You could hear her shouting all over. It was Mom's turn to scream. It was Dad's turn to shout. The toys and the pets made so much noise you could hear them all over the house, right down the road. In fact, everyone in the town could hear them. The end.